Tea has numerous health benefits, but that doesn't imply you should consume any tea without hesitation. Drinking certain types of tea may be harmful to your overall health, depending on the tea's processing method, your existing health status, and consumption amounts. Watch to see what health problems you might be creating with your next cup of tea. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Today, we are going to talk about top 5 dangerous teas you should never drink. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. Comfrey tea. Comfrey tea is an herbal drink that has been used for centuries. However, health officials are concerned about comfrey leaf and comfrey root products because comfrey contains potentially hazardous compounds called pyrrolizidine alkaloids. As a result, it is prudent to use caution when consuming comfrey tea or utilizing other comfrey products. According to the Natural Medicine Database, comfrey may be safe for most people when applied to unbroken skin in modest amounts for fewer than 10 days. However, they note that comfort is probably dangerous when taken orally or applied to injured skin. They also warn pregnant or lactating women not to use it topically or orally. The United States Food and Drug Administration (FDA) directed supplement makers to remove comfrey-containing products from the market in 2001. The Poisonous Plant Database claimed in reports that regular use of comfrey as part of the diet or for medicinal purposes may pose a potential health risk due to the presence of naturally occurring pyrrolizidine alkaloids. Comfrey, in particular, contains chemicals that are toxic to the liver and may result in liver damage and/or cancer. Chaparral tea. Creosote bush, Creosotea, greasewood, Hydrangea, Gerilla, and Laristat are some of the other names for the plant that we call chaparral. Chaparral is frequently offered for sale as a dietary supplement. Many herbal compounds do not have any controlled production standards in place, and it has been shown that some supplements on the market are tainted with harmful metals or other medications. To reduce the likeliness of contamination, one ought to make sure that the supplier from which they obtain their herbal or nutritional supplements is trustworthy. The use of chaparral is discouraged because there have been cases of significant poisoning as well as damage to the kidneys and liver as a result of this product. There have been multiple instances of severe poisoning and acute hepatitis, as well as damage to the kidneys and liver, including kidney failure and liver failure. The use of chaparral may result in adverse consequences, such as abdominal pain, nausea, diarrhea, decreased appetite, fever, and even damage to the liver and kidneys. When applied to the skin, chaparral can elicit a variety of cutaneous reactions, including rashes and itches. Chaparral is not safe to use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Sassafras tea. The sassafras tree is a type of deciduous tree that is native to North America. Other names for this tree include cinnamon wood, ague, and saxifrage. Additionally, it can be discovered in the majority of the eastern areas of the United States. The tree can reach a height of around 60 feet and has flowers that are quite tiny and yellow in color. Many different applications have been found for the various sections of the sassafras tea. The roots of this tree are typically utilized in a variety of culinary and baking applications. In order to make the tea, dried roots are steeped first. However, in-depth investigation into the medicinal characteristics of sassafras tea revealed that there was insufficient clinical evidence to support any of the purported therapeutic advantages of consuming it. This was the case regardless of whose purported benefits were being asserted. On the other hand, saffrol, which can be found in sassafras, is thought to have a connection to cancer. A rat laboratory investigation revealed that saffrol promotes the formation of malignant cells in the body because of the carcinogenic qualities of sassafras. The FDA banned the tea and other items containing it, such as its bark and oil. In 1976, the precise dosage of saffrol capable of causing harmful effects on the human body is unclear. However, it is estimated that a single strong cup of sassafras tea contains approximately 200 mg of saffrol, which is 4 times the quantity regarded as potentially harmful to human intake. As a result, regular tea consumption is strongly discouraged. Other sassafras products, including tea, are regarded as extremely harmful. Sassafras oil in particular is extremely harmful to human health. It is highly poisonous and has a variety of negative impacts on the human body. Other side effects of sassafras tea drinking include heart palpitations and hallucinations. If the person ingested a large amount of its oil, he would most likely die within 48 hours. If he does not, it indicates that he may recover quickly. If the sassafras oil has caused kidney damage, it may take several months to reverse the consequences. Despite the FDA's ban, sassafras is still available in markets in the form of tea, essential oils, and other products. These products, on the other hand, are completely free of saffrol, making them suitable for human consumption. Food additives and flavoring compounds on the market are also formulated without saffrol, reducing the potential health risks associated with them. Pennyroyal tea. Pennyroyal is a plant that is a member of the mint family, and pennyroyal tea is a herbal tea that is produced from the leaves and blossoms of the pennyroyal plant. Pennyroyal tea has been used for the relief of stomach disorders and menstrual cramps by herbal practitioners for generations. On the other hand, it is possible for it to be poisonous, particularly if a specific quantity of it is consumed. Even in low doses, 1 tablespoon, 15 ml, there is a risk of serious side effects such as syncope, convulsions, coma, cardiac collapse, acute liver injury, and other potentially life-threatening diseases. Nausea is the most common symptom of poisoning, but it can also lead to damage to the liver and even death if left untreated. Seizures, nausea, and abdominal pain are some of the other signs of poisoning. In the event that you should develop any of these symptoms after consuming it, you should contact a doctor as soon as possible. Lobelia tea. The flowers of perennial flowering plants belong to the genus Lobelia, have been utilized in traditional medicine for many years. Even though there are over 300 different species of Lobelia, the one that is used as an herb the most frequently is Lobelia inflata, which is indigenous to the northeastern part of the United States. Nausea is the Lobelia side effect that occurs most frequently. The herb, when used in large quantities, can be dangerous and produce major adverse effects. Some of these consequences include changes in heart rate, tingling, oral numbness, salivation, convulsions, body twitching, abdominal discomfort, vomiting, respiratory distress, anxiety, coma, and death due to respiratory paralysis. Numerous studies have found that the potential health advantages of Lobelia are severely constrained due to the herb's potentially harmful consequences when it is used in pharmaceutical preparations. Children, as well as pregnant or nursing mothers, as well as anyone else, should avoid using Lobelia. It is not recommended that individuals who have high blood pressure or heart problems take the herb, because lobeline, one of the active ingredients in the herb, has a similar impact on the body as nicotine does. People who are sensitive to nicotine should avoid using this herb. Lobeline is one of the active ingredients in the herb. People who are on medication should also stay away from Lobelia unless specifically instructed to do so by their doctors or other medical professionals. If you want to grow Lobelia in your garden, be aware that the herb may poison animals and plants. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.